I want to talk to you for a second, man. I just want to say something for the record. Don't let these contractors or these companies, foremen and other people talk bad to you. If they can't treat you like a man, once you see that they disrespecting you, you disrespect their ass right back. And they're gonna be like, what's going on? Nah, you don't talk to me like that, motherfucker. I'm grown like you is. I put my pants on like you. I'm a male like you. So don't come to me like I'm fucking dirt on the ground that you stepping on. I don't go for that shit. And you shouldn't go for that shit. I just watched the guy get talked so fucking bad, it made me fucking mad. And then it wasn't even me talking like, damn. I'm thinking to myself like, damn, you gonna let this guy talk to you like that? Like, bro, this is just a fucking job. He ain't God. You know what I'm saying? Man, listen, y'all gotta stop giving so much power to these companies. You know, do your job. But don't let nobody treat you like a piece of shit while you're doing your job. HogOn.